Are gems on teeth safe? Many people use gems to improve their self-esteem, since sometimes mineral deficiency or excessive consumption of spices and condiments causes stains on the teeth. These jewels or gems are placed in these places to hide or disguise these imperfections and show off a healthy smile. Also, they can be used when the teeth are not aligned or the space distribution is irregular, and it is necessary to fill some spaces. Are gems in teeth safe? Dental jewelry is attached to the tooth surface by means of an adhesive. Some can be simple and placed in any area of the tooth, and others cover the tooth completely with a cover, or there are also complete ones that are metallized dental covers. The most common gems that can be found in different sizes are diamonds, crystals, rubies, sapphires. How are these gems applied? This procedure should be performed by an experienced and trained dentist, preferably in cosmetic dentistry, who cleans the surface of the tooth and then places a cement-like product on the flat base of the gem for it to adhere to the dental piece. What are the risks and complications that I should take into account after placing a gem? The main negative effect of performing these procedures is the localized demineralization of the tooth at the site of application of the gem, damaging the dental enamel and affecting oral health, since it increases the possibility of presenting gum diseases and cavities. On the other hand, the chemicals used to fix the gem could be toxic, which is one of the reasons to go with an expert. You should keep in mind that having these jewels on the tooth can help the accumulation of food and debris after eating, therefore, brushing should be more vigorous and frequent. What recommendations should be taken? As a general recommendation, it is key to maintain oral hygiene and education through programs and recommendations that your treating dentist can provide, especially those related to the handling and care of this metal work or dental gems, as well as the possible complications in the short and long term associated with the gem that is used. It is very important that you never remove the gemstone on your own. This could cause irreversible and possibly painful side effects. It should always be done by a professional dentist. Thank you very much for the explanation. If you have any questions about this or other topics, you can contact us at Channel Island Family Dental as well as our Facebook page. We look forward to your visit, and we will make a timely diagnosis. Our dentists in Oxnard, St. Paul Adventure, Newbury Park, and Port Hueneme will be able to guide you towards the best treatment to take care of your health and give you back your best smile.